What? Stick in front of the bag, Bill. Pop! The 12 cookies! Boing! Oh, Peter. What do you get me? Look at this. Cotton candy. After all, I am sugar-coated. Okay, they come in Say, Sky, Webble, and Mossel. Bill's Mossel. And there's Sky. And there's Webble. There's a Sky for Sandy. It's today's inside of that bag. I don't think so. And I gotta open up a double bag. You gonna see? This is Mossel again. There's a safe! And there's a safe for Cassandra. And a Sky for Sandy. Yum yum, hot dogs, yum yum, hot dogs. This is candy cane. No. Come on, Peter. There's a thing called carrots. I know, but I give her carrots too. Well, but I give her to go every day. Because you know on Littlest Pet Shop, if you don't give a sugar-coated pet their treats, they go crazy. Oh yeah, they do. And now for Vanilla Snow. Yum yum! Yum yum! There we go. And no. Vanilla bean. That last one. The last one had candy cane dust on there. Yep. And this is Vanilla Snow again. No. Oh, Cassie, you good with my fingers. This is the last one, and and now for the pink. And now for the grand finale. What? A carrot.